Hey Zappers, we're excited to show you kind of a new method we've deployed to help you do mass or bulk engagement using the Zap Info tool. When we first deployed this, you could pick a whole list of people and then say you want to mass engage, but then as you would bounce over to Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter, with every person you had to pick how you wanted to communicate with them. Well, now we're going to have you just do that once on the front end, and then it will take over from there. So say I'm looking at a list of people. In this case, I'm looking at a bunch of technical recruiters. I'm going to go ahead and extract all of their profiles, and it'll go ahead and pull all that data into the Zap board for me. So it's kind of like a shopping cart filled with contacts that you intend to do some mass connecting with. And then what I can do is pick everybody, and I can just say, look, I want to mass engage with this audience through LinkedIn. So when you click on this, I've kind of developed a quick and dirty little social connection kind of a thing where I personalize it using the first name, their title, their company. This is kind of a recruiting example. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, look, I want to engage via LinkedIn, not Twitter, not Facebook, and I don't have their email. And this is where you can say, well, look, what do you want to do? Do you want to do a connection in InMail or a recruiter InMail, which is different than obviously the regular InMail? Now, if you are connected to somebody, then it would give you the standard message option where it just goes and does a standard message to people because you can't do a connect. You're already connected to them, and you don't want to burn InMail tokens because you just want to be able to do direct marketing to them. So the Zap Info tool is a great way to both do initial connection updates, but you can also do mass standard messaging, which is not available in most cases if you don't have that connection. So let's go ahead and give this a start. So now it's going to say, hey, you're going to do 1 to 10. And this is where we travel you to every person's profile. We open up the connection dialog, we personalize the message, and drop it right in to their profile here. And you can see it's personalized the name, the title, the company. And we just need to have you give this a quick look and then hit send, because this is what helps keep us short of doing automated outreach, right? Because all we're doing is automating the creation and posting of the message, but not the delivery, which helps us stay in compliance with the LinkedIn terms of service. And so again, but what we've done is we've made this now 2-click easy for you to be able to move through what could be 100 people in just a few minutes, as opposed to you having to go and do this manually and type all these messages and get them out. And you're not limited to like 30 a day or whatever. It's just however many you want to be able to do in a particular batch or outreach session is all that you'll be gated by. So again, a great update, we think, for the Zap Info tool to help you to do mass outreach while you select the method and destination up front. And then we take care of doing all of the profile visits, creation, and posting on the fly. So we hope you like this new update for doing bulk engagement and that it helps you move even faster using the Zap Info tool.